Wordy Birdy, written by Tammi Sauer, illustrated by Dave Mottram. Yay! You're so close to the story right now. Just turn the page. She's very excited. I am too. Well, we are a pretty great book. Meet Wordy Birdy. Wordy Birdy has lots to say. It starts the moment she wakes up. See? Hello, sunrise. Hello, pink sky. Hello, orange sky. Hello, yellow sky. Hello. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Sometimes Wordy Birdy talks about what she likes. I like spaghetti and unicorns and library books and polka dots and standing on my head, and sometimes she talks about what she doesn't like. I don't like tall grass or turtlenecks or long lines or tuna salad or losing my balloon, or sometimes she just asks questions. Why do zebras have stripes? Is Bigfoot real? Are we there yet? But she never stops talking long enough to get the answers. Wordy Birdy is not the world's best listener. Oh, please. Are we talking about the same bird here? Okay. Wordy Birdy is terrible at listening. That's more like it. She never listens to anybody, even when she should. This one time, I totally went swimming with a narwhal. Do you think there's an award for Bird of the Year? My third cousin Barb is a penguin. Really? Fact. People used to think the world was flat and you could fall right off the end. One day, Wordy Birdy takes a walk into the deep woods. Naturally, she has plenty to say. That's a pretty tree, and that's a pretty danger sign, and that's a pretty tree, and before long, Squirrel zips in front of Wordy Birdy. Stop! Don't go any farther! Does Wordy Birdy listen? She does not. Oh, a pine cone! Ooh, a sign! Ooh, a leaf! Ooh, a rock! Soon, Rabbit dashes onto the scene. Go back, while you still can! Does Wordy Birdy listen? She does not. Yay, my favorites! Strawberries for me, and carrots for me, and tomatoes for me! Then Raccoon gives a piece of advice. Run for your life! Does Wordy Birdy listen? What do you think? Whoa, it's getting darker and darker and darker and darker and darker, and looky there, white circles and triangles. I love white circles and triangles, and roar, 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 roar. Oh, do Squirrel, Rabbit, and Raccoon just leave Wordy Birdy there? We do not! Come on! Follow us! This way! And Wordy Birdy? She listened. Hooray! That was almost unbearable. We made it! Then Wordy Birdy says thank you, the best way she knows how. I love you guys! Like, I really, really, really love you. Seriously! I love you more than spaghetti and unicorns and... Wordy Birdy still likes to talk a lot, see? Good night, sunset. Good night, orange sky. Good night, Ooh, good night, you. But sometimes... Remember when we totally saved you from that bear? We were brave and amazing, and that was so cool. She likes to listen, too. Now that's what I call a good story. I'm going to read it again and again and again. And then she'll read it approximately 523 more times. This is true. Yup.